got rid of my, I just kicked these sticks that were laying next to the fire out of the way. I think they're all wet anyway. Get rid of the probably shouldn't have poured that so close to the fire, but why leave it in the first place? I never understand people. I mean, okay, maybe it's some meat residue, but seriously, why leave it out here? And this is literally a drive-up campsite. Look at a fire base. Because it was wet this morning. That should do what I'm going to need. Actually, shouldn't have broke those off. Those would have held my fuel up a little bit. I still need to get some smalls. So let's do that real fast. I just have them sitting on the chair over here. So they're off the ground, not absorbing moisture. But I'll work on that off camera a bit. Alrighty. Now if you guys saw my extremist knife video, you might remember I get this whole bag. Can't see the view screen. Got this whole bag of this tinder. Someone suggested it was a chainsaw cutting down like vertically, and that's how you get those strips. These have been rolling around in my car since then, so I haven't even taken them out or done anything with them yet. But I thought they're gonna make an excellent fire starter. Oh man, a one and done too. Hell yeah. One and done. Fire it up whatever day I upload this video. Loose pack. Don't want to smother it. Just need the fuel to take. Maybe a little moisture in there. I hadn't factored that. Oh, don't die on me, girl. Fuel might have been a little bit too big, but it was I had some smalls mixed in with some, you know, a little bit bigger, thinking that the small stuff would catch the bigger stuff. She looks like she's fizzling on me. Crap. So much for my one and done. Alright. You off. Yeah. You off. Well, that sucks. happens though. Could be that lichen too. Maybe it had some moisture in it. So, actually, I was gonna do this anyway, but now I'm gonna adjust to something else. So what I was planning on doing anyways, once the fire got up and rolling, I was just gonna do a flint and steel, and yeah, that was exactly my plan. Do a flint and steel. You know, it didn't matter if the fire was already going, because, you know, what the heck. I got my char here, rock, I got my snakes, striker. I forget what's in these tins. Well, I'll look at them afterwards. And I gotta get a handful of tinder real fast because I don't have one yet. Alright. Now my only issue is getting it lit and getting it over to the fire and then putting it on top before it flares up too much. And yeah, this stuff actually goes up pretty well. I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna put one glove on. Those sharp little corners are like poking me in the hand. So oop. Went out. Come on. Maybe I'm actually using too much char cloth. It's like it's hitting it and it's lighting and then it goes out. Pull a few of these off. It's like my gloved thumb is just tearing up the char cloth. Come on, work with me here. This is from home, so there should be no moisture. Unless it picked up. There we go. Finally. I can't see that. Damn it. So I blew out the char, but it didn't take the. It didn't light. Wow. Come on. I don't think it's the rock, but let's switch it anyway. Oh. There we go. Get that down in there. Oh, there we go. It's one good thing about the glove. It gave me a couple extra moments to get to the fire pit. Okay. I guess it wasn't fully in camera, but there we go. Oh. That was a tough fire this time. Might have been some moisture in the fuel. Might have been the lichen. May have been the, I don't know, something. Could be something I did or didn't do. I mean, it's not a sustainable fire by any means, though. It's still in its infancy stage. I'm feeling that warmth hit me, though. That feels good. I can sit here and watch fire all day, but I'm sure you guys want to get going, so I'll pause it here. I might come back. We'll see.